Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the markets, whether this market is going to fall or what kind of a retracement it is. Before going into the details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay, coming to the Nifty, let me tell you one simple concept. Okay, before going into the details, let us figure it out. Okay, how much Nifty moved in this month. Okay, this is the March month. We are very close to the expiry. 2 days, 2 days away from the expiry day. Okay, Thursday is the expiry, monthly expiry. So if we see, all these are the sectors. Okay, these sectors, Nifty IT sector went up only 1 percentage. PSC is the one which is okay, moved 16 percentage. CPSC, these are the government stocks. Okay, commodities and metal, both are similar kind of stocks. Okay, and energy, from the energy sector, these are the some again it is a combination of the power and oil companies. Okay, apart from this, infra, where Reliance is contributed, and PSU banks, which is good, and also Bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty Bank, which is more 7 percentage, around 7 percentage. Okay, if we go to the chart, right, if we go to the chart, Nifty moved 1900 points from its down actually. If we see, it is from the March 3rd. Okay, from the March 3rd, Nifty moved to the 1900 points, which is around 8 percentage. 8 percentage went up Nifty. Okay, so what is happening here? Obviously, normally during the expiry days, right? Let's say we entered into the one stock. Okay, DMart, for the sake I am taking a DMart. Okay, we entered into the DMart. Now it is trading at the 4000 rupees. Okay, I took the DMart at 3800 rupees and I sold out call option for this 4000 CE. Let's say here I took the stock. Okay, 150 units of the DMart I took it, and same 150 for the hedging purpose. What I did, 4000, okay, CE, I sold at some 50 points, let's say 50 points. Now the DMart is trading. Okay, now the DMart is trading. D, today the DMart traded. What is the high today? Okay, here the DMart 4033 is the high. Okay, now whatever the call option I sold at the 4000 CE, okay, went in the money. It went to the in the money because the current mark, okay, the in between the daytime market went to the 440. So now I am very close to the expiry. I wanted to close this position and move to the next month. Okay, if I am holding this position, what is going to happen in case if it is going to trade into the in the money by the time of expiry? Whatever the 150 stocks I am having, I supposed to give for the delivery. Now I don't want to give for the delivery because I bought this at the lower, okay, lower side. I wanted to hold for few more months. In that case, what I am going to do is, I wanted to close this call option. Okay, and go for the next month. Okay, next month is April. April month, current market price is 4,000 rupees. Okay, I wanted to sell at 4,200 or 300 CE. Okay, so I am here, I'm long on the stock, short on the derivative, right? Sold. Okay, short on the derivative, long on the stock. Similarly, why today, if we see, right, if we observe today, let me go to the F. Today, PSU Bank negative traded, media traded negative, only IT traded in the positive. Why? Because IT IT stock was IT stock was in the bearish, right? Okay. Since I sold at, since I sold at the, for example, TCS, I sold at the 4,000 rupees, or Infosys I sold at 1900. Now the price is reached to the Infi. What is the price today? Infi 1600. Okay. Now I wanted to, this is, I sold this, I wanted to buy now. Okay. So selling means shorting, right? I shorted this Infi stock at the 1900. Now I wanted to go for the close my position, short position, and shift to the next month, or wait for 2 more days this expiry to finish. That means whatever the whatever the sectors or whatever the stocks are in the bearish trend, that means short. Okay, which is going to be the cover, right? Cover means we are closing the position, that is called short covering. Okay, so since the IT sector was in the negative trend, that is where it is short covering. Short covering means you sold out in the beginning, now you are buying it. Buying in the sense which is positive for the stock. That's what the IT sector moved, traded in the green. Okay. Similarly, if we see all other sectors, okay, for example, energy sector, which is went up by 11 percentage. So 11 percentage, what might be happening here? Okay, the people whoever went on the long, okay, they are going to close this position. Long in the sense they buying position they are having, now they wanted to sell. When they are selling, market supposed to close in the negative, right? This is called long unwinding. Okay, now similarly, all the sectors, whatever the sectors went up heavily, all the sectors are coming for the closing the positions. They are closing the positions with respect to the expiry day, and also year end close, right? The March 31st is the close. They wanted to close, okay, book the profits, settle for this financial year, and move forward to the next month. As part of that, market is getting the correction. Okay, reason number one is, since all the sectors went up heavily, okay, these are the long positions are going to unwinding now. Long positions are going to unwind now. The short positions are going to covering now, short covering. That is the reason few sectors like IT sector, whatever is in the bearish trend, now it is moving to the positive trend. Whatever the sectors went up heavily, those are getting the correction mode. Okay, that is the reason market got the correction today. Okay, this is what I am believing it. Okay, after going up by, okay, 1900 points, it is quite obvious that there will be some retracement. Okay, it can be 22,000, some 1000 points or 500 points, or even more, we are not sure. Okay, it is very early stage. Okay, after the April 1st onwards, we can see how it is going to move. Okay, this 2 3 days, right, the market is going to correct more for closing all the losses. Whatever the losses are there, they might be setting up for the financial year ending, and they will be going to take the fresh positions in the month of April 1st onwards. So that means they may close today itself and buy on the same day itself, so that that loss will be set up with the profits. Okay, that could be the reason for falling this market today. Okay, all the sectors, if we see, right, almost all the sectors are falling. Okay, what is the percentage of the sectors? 28% of the sectors are trading in the green. 71% of the sectors, okay, 71% of the stocks are trading in the negative today. Okay, if we see overall the market depth, right, it may take some time. 71% of the stocks are trading in the negative. Okay, even if we go to the F&O stock, right, Nifty 50 or F&O stock, we can see, okay, last, okay, the highest, whatever the stock went up by very high, right, those stocks are going to get the correction. If we see what is the stock, HAL going for the correction. Okay, 29% went up. Similarly, Hutco, Hind Petro, all the stocks going to give some JSW energy. Okay, all these stocks are getting some short covering or long unwinding is going to happen. Tomorrow, once again, there is a probability of, okay, correction may continue. Okay, be careful, and also wait and watch for the market very closely. Okay, what is going to happen? The reasons for the market correction in your portfolio might be trading in the negative today. The reasons might be, one is financial year end, where they might be setting up the, they means institutions or big people, whoever are having it, or even for the retail people also, they wanted to close the position and open there itself, so that that negative loss is going to show in the profits and it is going to set up. That is what happening here actually. Okay, that's all friends in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also please subscribe for my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so